2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede from Silver Lake, Los Angeles, doing some Swedish music. ABBA. Here we go. Dancing Queen. Great. So this song is an A, but I decided to do capo, so everybody can play this. We don't have any bar chords. All right. So we got a G major. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. And sometimes we make the G a G sus. So you add first finger here. First fret B string. We have E minor. 1, 2. We got D. 1, 2, 3. We got B7. What else? Let's say B7, 1, 2, 3. A7. 1, 2. C major. And A minor. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we got two parts. We got the verses and we got the chorus. It starts with just hanging on the G, and then they start singing a chorus. So G, E minor, D, D7, E minor, D2, A7, C that chord, C, A minor, G, G7, G. Verse. G7, G7, E minor, D, hang on D, D, E minor, D, E minor, back to G, E minor, D, and then let's see, the A minor and D, and Queen. E minor, D, D7, 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 E minor, D, A7, C major, A minor. Back to another verse. D major to E minor. Back to G. E minor, D, 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 E minor. A minor to D. And chorus. You can dance to the Okay, so cool. Let's go over everything. Write it down if you need to. Intro, they always sang in between. They always sang on the G here. 2 G slots. Chorus, E minor. Let's see. E minor, D, D7, E minor, D to A7, C, A minor. That's the chorus. And then the verses. E minor, D, 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 E, that's 2 times. D, and that takes you to the chorus. Cool, guys. Awesome song. I heard this as a kid a lot back home. Good band for sure. Cool. I'll see you tomorrow with more awesome hits. Thank you.